Good morning, children. Welcome back to the Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Ramya, your English teacher. So all these days we were discussing stories, poems and all. So today, let's give a break to these pieces of literature. We'll discuss the ways of improving our writing skills. The easiest way to develop our language. Yes, I am talking about diary writing. When we hear the word diary writing, the first thing that comes to our mind is the diary of a young girl, or otherwise it is known as the diary of Anne Frank. I hope you have read that book, or you have seen that book, or you have heard that book. It's available in our library. So once the school reopens, you all should read the book. Such a wonderful book. I believe you all will read. So it is a diary kept by Anne Frank. Anne Frank is a young German girl. While she and her family were hiding in camps during the Second World War in order to escape from Nazis. Nazis, when they notice them, they will be killed. She is a Jew, so Jews are hated by the Nazis. So once the Nazi notice these Jews, they will kill. So in order to escape from them, they were hiding in camps. So diary writing is the only way to express her fear, her boredom, her struggles while she were in the camp. She says, it is the nicest part of being able to write down all my thoughts and feelings. Otherwise, I would absolutely suffocate. Suffocate means you will be unable to live, unable to breathe and all. So diary entry was a great source of her expression of feelings. She could share all her feelings in that diary entry. You know that because now we are also confined to our homes. We are not able to lead a social life. There is much of social distancing. So we all are in our homes. And I think most of you might have started writing diaries. You can write diaries, you can write down all your experiences that went through this period. So what is this diary writing or diary entry? And what is the purpose of it? Diary entry or diary writing, it is an account or record of daily happenings. Whatever happened on that particular day. You can make a record of your day-to-day experiences. It's the only way to record the events that happen around us. Not the only way, but it is one of the ways that you can record the world around us. Whatever happened in the world around us. You can share your most memorable incident, the most important incidents in your life. Anything you can write in the diary. No one is going to read or no one is going to judge you. If you want, you can publish it as a book just as our Anne Frank. Otherwise, you can make it very personal. Diary entry is very personal and informal. So there's no particular format for it. The only thing is that you have to mention the date. Date is compulsory. You can mention the date, you can mention the time, you can mention the day. So on the topmost page, you can mention the date. You can also mention the time, the day also. And you can start your diary entry by making an address, by giving the salutation. You know what is a salutation? You have already learned how to write letters, both formal and informal. So you know how to make a salutation. What is a salutation? How you will address the letter. For example, Anne Frank addressed her diary as Dearest Kitty. So similarly, you can also write Dear Diary, or you can give any imaginary name, just as Anne Frank gave. Anne Frank also gave a imaginary name, Kitty. You can also give an imaginary name and address the diary. Dear Diary or Dear any name. Then you can begin the diary entry. First give a beginning, why you are writing your diary. Suppose you became the top scorer of your class and your teacher gifted you something. So you can say, today I became the top scorer of the class and my teacher gave me some chocolates. Then you can narrate all the incident, what all happened on that particular day. So that is how you write a diary writing or make a diary entry. It's so simple, as there's no so much of format for that. So I hope you understood how to make a diary entry. So a sample of diary entry is being attached. You all have to read it. And I also have given you an assignment. You have to write the assignment and submit it to our Gmail ID. An ID is given, so submit to that ID. So that's all for today, children. Let's conclude the session. See you all in the next class.